My name is Fiona, and you're here because you want to improve your English, and I'll show you how it can help you. You're going to learn professional business English to help you in meetings and when you're presenting reports, and just to understand for general comprehension. So we're going to look at phrasal verbs and idioms and common phrases that you will hear all the time and be able to then introduce into your speaking. That is the goal, is that you will be able to sound more professional so you can advance in your career. You're going to learn vocabulary like amplify and wrap up so that you can feel more comfortable and sound more professional in your job. So we're going to focus on real-world examples, case studies sometimes, and business situations so that your understanding can improve, and then when you're speaking in a meeting or participating in a discussion with colleagues, you're able to express yourself confidently and professionally. These lessons are focused more towards people working in technology or engineering or automation or even data analysts, and particularly for managers, directors, CEOs, because these will give you the vocabulary to talk about AI, about tech trends, about being current and up to date with groundbreaking ideas. So if you're ready to amplify your vocabulary, that will be one of the words we look at, then let's get started. So if you're ready to amp up your career now, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And let's focus on your English and your career growth.